Before you add more oil, pause for a second because cleaning is what actually keeps your hotel collections and diffuser performing like new. Over time, fragrance oils leave behind residue inside the atomizer and internal pathways. That buildup slowly blocks airflow, weakens scent output, and can even cause uneven diffusion. Most people skip this step and keep refilling, which only makes performance worse. A safe, proper cleaning clears out those hidden deposits and restores full scent flow without damaging the unit. The point is using the right method, gentle but effective. Let's go step by step and clean it the right way. Try these. Number 1. Turn off the diffuser and unplug it completely before starting. 2. Remove the fragrance bottle carefully from the unit. 3. Fill an empty bottle with a small amount of cleaning solution or alcohol. Insert the bottle and run the diffuser briefly to flush the system. 5. Remove the bottle again and wipe the nozzle and connection points. 6. Reinstall your fragrance oil bottle and power the unit back on.